Step into the 2011 Scion XB. This four-door, five-passenger wagon provides exceptional value. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, turn signal indicator mirrors, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.